Hello YouTube, and welcome to my workshop, the Unbox Workshop. And it's me Alex, and today I'm going to unbox the brand new Galaxy S10 Plus. And now we're going to check what's inside there and what comes with it. As you can see, it really looks expensive and it's really a beautiful piece of hardware. It comes with 6.4 inches of Super AMOLED Quad SD display. Keeping the phone aside right now, we are given a travel charger. It's fast charging 2.0, and here is the Type C to Type A adapter, and this one in here is the Type C USB cable, and also in here we're getting the AKG headphones with 3.5mm jack. And here we have the booklets with the SIM ejection tool. So basically we already know what's inside here, right? Quick start guides and some warranty cards. Yep. And here is the phone, the beautiful flagship from our Samsung. And this basically is the S10 Plus 128GB, which has the 8GB RAM. The killer cameras. And here together with the voice button we have, here you have the all new Bixby button. And here the lock and unlock button. And this flagship comes with the inbuilt ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Here we have the two front-facing cameras for the selfie, and another one is for the RGB portrait. Here is the 3.5mm jack along with the USB Type-C and then the inbuilt speakers. In this video, I'm going to show you some videos and photographs that I captured from the rear cameras. So here I am, now I'm testing the telephoto lens, the wide lens and then the ultra wide lens from the Samsung S10 Plus. And then I'll be showing you some of the videos and pictures that I've just captured from this camera. This one is the video from the 12MP telephoto camera, and this video is from the 12MP wide angle camera. This video is from the 16MP ultra wide angle camera. So leaving some of the pictures, I am signing off, and then I will be back with some of the new videos. Until then, goodbye and have a nice day. And if you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much. From Alecks.